This is the easiest way to make money online using Canva in 2025, even if you're broke, have no followers, or even if you got zero experience. In this video, I'll show you how to make a simple digital product in 30 seconds using Canva's AI tool, and where to sell it without needing a website. You don't need to be a designer, tech expert, or even an influencer. I'll walk you through how to make the product in 30 seconds with Canva's AI tool, where to list them without needing to pay for a website or a sales page, and how to get free traffic without needing paid ads. So stick around because this is how I made my first $100 online, so you don't want to miss this. So first things first, you want to head over to Canva, then you want to click on create, and then what you want to do is you want to go to docs, right? So click on docs, and then we're going to use this Canva's AI tool to make our digital product. So it's called Magic Write. So we click this, and depending on your niche, whatever type of product you want to do, whether it's fitness, wealth, doesn't really matter. So I could be like, make me a budget tracker for beginners. Then you click on generate, and then now the AI is making you the whole product, and then you'll just click insert, and then boom, now you got your digital product. Easy. And this took only 30 seconds to do. Now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to share. You go to download, and make sure you save it as a PDF. It's very important because this is how people are going to be able to download your digital product, and this is how you're going to be able to sell it. So make sure it's a PDF. Very important. So you click download, and then boom, now we have it. Now that we made our product using Canva's AI tool, I'm going to teach you how to sell this product without having the need of using a website or any sales page. So let's get straight into it. Quick tip, make sure to grab my free cheat sheet. Link will be in the description box. It's going to help you walk you through your first product and how to make your first sale. Okay, so you want to use something called Gumroad. If you don't know what Gumroad is, it's a site that allows you to sell your digital products completely free. So it's no upfront cost. You only pay after you're done making the sale. So they take like 10% of your sale after you made the sale. So you're gonna want to make a free account on Gumroad. Then after that, you're gonna want to go to this homepage. So what you do is you click on products and you'll be like new product, and then this is where we'll go. So this is where we name our product. So budget tracker for beginners. So then you'll do next price. I'm gonna price it at $9. Then you'll do next, and then you're just gonna put a basic description. So for your description, you could just be like, this is a basic budget tracker for beginners. If you want to get more detailed, you can use ChatGPT to make you this. Then after that, what you're going to do is you're going to press save and continue. And this is where you're going to put the content of your digital product. So remember that PDF I told you to save? What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to upload files, computer files, and then remember the one that we saved in Canva. Remember I told you to make it a PDF? This is the same file. And then all we do now is just publish and continue. And then we have it. Now we have our digital product made and we have it listed for free. Okay, now that we got our digital product created using Canva, now that we got it listed without having the need of a website, I'm going to show you how you can actually market this product without having the need of using paid ads or anything like that. So let's get straight into it. Okay, now we're on TikTok, so you can use Instagram or all the other social medias to find content, but I recommend you go on TikTok because a lot of the stuff drops early. So what we could do to actually drive traffic to our pages, we can repost other people's content, so we don't need to rely on making faceless content or anything like that. What we could do is we could look at the top performing pages or the videos in that niche. So we're doing a budget tracker, right? So I put in finance. So I'm going to look at all the videos that did really good, like this one's good. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own separate TikTok page and I'm going to repost these people's content on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. And make sure you give them credit too. Like you don't want to be a thief, but this is a great way to give them exposure and also get exposure to your page too, because the reason why people are going to buy off you, because it's not just videos, you actually have a brand behind it too. So this is how we could drive traffic to our page, and this is how we could sell something like a budget tracker without having to spend, thousands of dollars on ads. If you want help picking your first product or getting your first sale, I made a free cheat sheet. Link will be in the description. It breaks down everything step by step. But if you got value from this video, make sure to share, comment, save, and hit that subscribe button because I drop videos every single week, so you don't want to miss that. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm out though. Peace.